Standing bar shoulder press. Now you can do this many ways here, whether you stagger your stance, you have your feet close to each other. I like having the bar path slightly in front of me so we can get more of that scapular plane. It's a little safer on the shoulders. You can grab this up from a rack or you can clean it up into position. So we're here, pop it up. My elbows are out in front. My feet are about hip width apart. Drive up above the head, control slowly down, drive through. If you want to switch that stance here, control down, drive up, abs nice and strong. Try to prevent those hips from coming forward, so keep them underneath you. Abs strong, exhale up, inhale down. That's your bar shoulder press. Dumbbell shoulder press. This can be done seated, on a bench with a back, on a ball, on the floor, or standing. Okay, lots of options for you. Now we're gonna take the dumbbells here. I like doing this with my elbows slightly in front of me, so we're in that scapular plane of motion. You can stagger the stance, feet can be together, abs strong. Drive up above the head, control down for about that 90-degree angle with your shoulders to elbows. Drive through the top, control down, abs strong. That is your dumbbell shoulder press. Thurman, subscribe to this channel and make sure you get my book, The Minimum Method, the least you can do to be a stronger, healthier, happier you.